home sweet home. No, this is not my condo, but I get to do some more service repairs for you. Do you remember this room? This condo? I did some other stuff in here before. What did I do before? Look at, here's my list on an ace bag. Hey, whenever you need a piece of paper, just improvise if you have to. Sink pop-up, yep, I fixed that. Jalousie window slats, mini blind pull knots, clean carpet, microwave light was out, touch-up stools, coffee table, etc. Hinge stop, cap missing. What else? Door stop missing. Here, door stop missing. Change rusty door stop. Adjust bifold top wheel. Secure back door mini blind. That's all the stuff I did last time. And if you want to watch that kind of stuff, it's on my YouTube channel, of course. Now, what do I still have to do? AC timer. Main room is sticking, so I have to replace that. Guest bathroom door sagging. Master toilet loose at the floor line. Bathroom sink is dripping in the master, and 2 towel bar ends missing. Now if you want to watch that stuff, stick around. Now as for this list, I might make an entire video for all of these things, and I may also make separate videos of each individual thing. So look for those different things on my channel. Kaboom. Now, let's get busy. Hey, before I get going on this, I'm going to use my nail bag, and I wanted to show you my nail bag. I just had it repaired. See those handles on there? I put handles on my nail bag right here so I can hang on to it and pull them up. Now sometimes when you go to the hardware store, if you need a new nail bag, look for the nylon ones like this, and sometimes you'll be lucky enough to see that they have those handles. Well, this one didn't, and I like my nail bag, so I just hang on to it like that. Then I can take it up here and put it on. Just like that. And when I get done, I can do the same thing. I can kind of hold on to this. And trust me, when you get a nail bag, you have lots of tools in it, nails and screws and all kinds of stuff. It's hard to grab this with your hand like that and let it slide down or whatever, okay? So, look for that type of nail bag at the store. And if you can't find something like that, maybe you could go to a shoe repair. I went to a shoe repair, TerryEdmonds.com in Maui. Yes, if the shoe fits, she's the only one on island that will repair shoes and fabricate shoes, and she even fixed my nail bag. Thank you so much, Terry, for doing that. She also sewed this all together here. This used to be separate from the belt portion, and that was sliding down. And now she sewed this right here. She sewed it back there. She put these little straps on here, sewed that in there, and all that. Isn't that kind of cool? Yes, try that for your nail bag. Yeah, this is why I carry this bag around. It's got all my paraphernalia, my extra tools in here, my extra screws. It's kind of a pain in the rear to get stuff out of it, but I mean, what other choice do I have? I gotta carry it around in something. Now you get to see some of the things that I use. One of these days I might make a video and pull out all my stuff so you can kind of see what I've got in here. I got some finished 4s and 6 nails. Use those every once in a while as well. I always keep my screws at the bottom because they fit in here nice and flat. So I got here's 1.25 inches, so I know I need one of those. And I'm probably going to use, I got some 2-inch screws. I think I may use those because the threads are a little bit fatter than the screw that was in the door hinge before. Here I got 1 5/8 inches. I'll take a look at that. And let's see. Well, those threads are actually just as fat as the 2s, so I think the 1 5/8 will work. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 of those and 1 1.25 inch screw. And so see, I carry 1.25 inch, 1.5. These are 2 inch, and then I have 2.5 down here, 3 inch as well. Okay, so I got my screws. Let's go back up there, see what I can do. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. This door looks like it's been fairly recently painted, and I'm looking up here to see if the door has been sagging, and I got about a 1/16 of an inch gap there, not very much, and it looks like it could go up, and I can go right here and push on it, and I can feel that hinge has some give to go that direction. And I know if I take this hinge off of here and put my 2 long 3 inch screws on the back side, undo the hinge, flip it out of the way, pre-drill 2 holes, get right into the stud, suck it back in there, use the same screws on the hinge, that will raise this up. And I'm not going to show you that on this video. I only need to push it up that way a little bit, but hey, I've got that on my channel. Go to my YouTube channel, and that's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.